Hello everybody, this is my Prince and I welcome you to my first video of YouTube. As being a first video, I'm not going to make it so long, so for that I would be only introducing you about the content that what I'm going to put in further videos on my channel. So here we go. I have made this channel for my passion of helping those people who are not able to upgrade their English to that level, or they somewhere lacks in building the confidence and fluency while speaking in English. This channel is going to be fruitful for you all. Here I would be telling you about various tips, tricks or steps of how to be a better English communicator, or the benefits that you can gain by learning English as a second language, and many more things I'm going to provide you through this channel that can take your English to the next level. So with this, I hope you all got the gist of content that what I'm going to provide you in my channel on my further video. Thank you for being a part of this video. Don't forget to stay tuned for my further videos. Till then, stay safe, stay quarantined. Bye.